Once again, good morning. Let me start the demo. Yesterday was the first demo. I explained about my introduction and complete understanding from data to Microsoft Fabric. A very important and rich part I covered yesterday. And today is the second demo where we see first demo for 15 minutes. This is a recap. And then we go to practical part. This is second demo. And tomorrow onwards, regular classes at 8 a.m. IST. This is a morning 8 o'clock batch. Tomorrow onwards, regular classes. Now I will start a recap of the first demo. This is for 15 minutes. And who all joined today, you will receive first demo as well as second demo videos and documents. Hoping the people who attended first demo received documents and videos. Who all attended first demo received documents and videos. This was a mail we sent to everyone. And this was a video we shared. Even my team shared the YouTube video as well. So this was the mail. Our course content, demo content. Everything. Right, sir. And you can see in the YouTube also, first day demo video. Please don't write anything. Just listen to the session. I'll show you many screenshots and you miss the explanation. So don't write anything. Just listen, follow. Whatever you need, I will be sharing in your email. Kindly go through. We're all professionals. And you're entering into business intelligence. In future, you may move to artificial intelligence. I will share everything. So my name is Vinay and this is my contact number. I'm working as a BA lead consultant. And the current course duration, 2 months, 50 to 60 hours. And daily class time, 1 hour. Monday to Friday, compulsory classes. Saturday, depending on your interest, will continue. And we provide daily live class videos like yesterday and 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. Many case studies we are going to discuss. Solid theory and practical material also will provide you. And prerequisite, nothing is required. But if you have knowledge on Excel or SQL advantage, otherwise a fresher can start. Qualification, any graduate is okay. And it is fully graphical user interface component with low code. No coding required. And my course covers from basics to advanced in a simple but detailed manner. And this is a part I'm going to cover next 2 months. This part come under project environment. And this part come under Power BI components. So as part of project environment, data warehouse fundamental, data modeling fundamental, agile methodology, GitHub versioning, 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies, database knowledge for 3 to 4 hours. And I'll give you 9 concepts, detailed knowledge. And here I will give you just material. But what are the topics you need to learn in SQL? I will tell you. So 3 to 4 hours only in database SQL I will spend, but I recommend you to learn whole course. So it is beneficial in interview, beneficial in working in the real time. But prioritize 9 topics. Sir, without SQL, can't I enter? You can enter, but in case your source is a database, you need to work on database. How do you work on it? So basic understanding is required. In case you are working with cubes, 2 hours. This knowledge I will give you. So in real time, there is a possibility that you work on cubes. So that 2 hours knowledge will give you working on cubes. Job trials, compulsory resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews, these we conduct. So it is helpful for you to crack the job easily. We have wonderful success rate. There are lots of people who succeed in the organizations. Coming to Power BI subject. These are project related, and Power BI subject related. Cloud components I will give you understanding. There are 2 components. On-premises components also I will give you understanding. So cloud is different, on-premises different, and Power Apps and Power Automate. These 2 understanding for 4 hours I'm covering. So this is the detailed subject, especially designed for the people, aspirants who are trying in IT and who wants to work well in IT. So do I need to learn this many? I'm just telling, this is just 3 to 4 hours, 2 hours only, rest all Power BI only. Compulsory, you need to know about projects, case studies, etc. related to Power BI. This is Power BI subject. I just added 8 to 10 hours additional sessions to work happily in the companies. Not more than that. Right. So institutions are theory, practical material will give you. Complete practical oriented training it is. And you will be having good interaction with me. FAQs also discussed in the classes. Live class videos also we provide. Resume preparation we do, and we'll help you on that. WhatsApp group also created for technical questions, discussions, updates, everything. After completing this course, you are eligible to try these opportunities. Less than 5 years, Power BI, DAX, and SQL. It is a language in Power BI. I will take 10-hour classes. You can try in this combination. 90% opportunities in the market in this combination only. And some people recruiting support, some people admin responsibilities. And Power BI plus MSBI combination, Tableau combination, Azure combination, Synapse combination, opportunities available. You can try these also. But my course is good enough to try for all these opportunities. I will give you detailed subject that is sufficient. What if more than 5 years I want to try? Will I get good opportunities? Wonderful opportunities you are having. Companies also offering very good remunerations. You can try as a Power BI modeler. You can try as a designer, specialist, architect. You want to stay tuned with IT and BI? Yes, Power BI does that. Sir, is your course sufficient for this? No. If you want to work, if you want to try on these positions, 1 or 2 projects end-to-end knowledge is required. 1 or 2 projects end-to-end knowledge is required. So what we provide? what you are eligible. Yesterday I explained, so I just given recap today. Go to yesterday's video for more detailed discussion. I just opened my WhatsApp. For every batch, we create a folder. And in the folder, all the videos available. Day-wise videos, you will find it. And the course include projects, resume preparation guidance, and many other. For each and every topic, the respective folder available, respective content available. If you want to take projects. There are many people purchasing my videos as well. In a month, on an average, 25 to 30 members minimum purchasing videos in a month. DAX sessions. DAX is a language in Power BI. I usually conduct 10 sessions, 10 to 12 sessions. For this batch, little more I conducted this many. And coming to WhatsApp, this is about your following. You will be having one folder and you will get access for 1.5 years. Happily, you can go to it, practice it with materials. Now WhatsApp. We have proper communication with the students. Take 5 p.m. batch. In case a video sent, we'll drop a message. Today's video plays so-and-so content covered. Okay. So very proper. Even students also, they get in touch with me for their queries, questions, concerns, everything. I will open a couple of people who recently got job. So good morning, sir. Recently, can you provide me any training on ClickSense? And ClickSense with Power BI. She already got offer actually. Hi, sir. Good evening. This is Shalini. I got an offer from a company, but they are asking, she got offer from company on Power BI, but they are asking ClickSense. She approached me again. So students, they usually drop these kind of messages. On Good Friday, he dropped a message. See how he responded. Hello, sir. Expressing my humble thanks to you for the support and guidance. It's my first work anniversary. Thanks a lot, sir. People will inform like this also. And see this. I usually write like this. Who got job? Not visible. Prashant. So hi, sir. Good afternoon. Finally got the offer from so-and-so company. I never imagined I will get the job in this market scenario. And that too, my God's grace, I made first interview. I made right decision to join in your institute. These are not the fake reviews or any other reviews. Whatever they feel, they usually write. And many people. This is just a sample actually. This person chart is not visible. In this month, 3 people got jobs actually. She also got job actually. And she asked for profiles. She's my student, already got job and working in a company. And she is having opportunities. She asked us, sir, we need so-and-so people. Okay. This is just to show how strongly we are in the market. Sufficient. Now we'll go to next one. demo part. My objective, interview, guidance, detailed subject I'm covering so that you can work on any kind of project in the real time. If anyone preparing Power BI certification, PL 300, yes, 70 to 80% I'm covering the subject. In this course, I cover, not in this course, in today's demo, I covered introduction, what we provide, opportunities, what type of subject we cover. Just given recap. Yesterday in detail I given, today just recap. And 5 more minutes I will spend, and then we go to fresh part. Demo theory. Yesterday I explained this part, data to Microsoft Fabric hierarchy. It is very important. Every aspirant should know before they start their career. If you don't know this, it is meaningless. Why, sir? If people ask, Microsoft having already BA components, why Power BI? How do you answer? What type of data Power BI support? Why Power BI having more market? For all these questions, refer to yesterday's detailed video. And today I'll give you just heads up. Yesterday I explained data to Microsoft Fabric hierarchy. And we have in the market 3 types of data: structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. And companies storing this data in 2 formats. One is file format, second database format. And the formatted data available in 2 storages: on-premises storage, cloud storage. So this data in 2 formats, and this storage either on-premises or cloud. So what do you mean by on-premises? Within the device, within the server, storage is on-premises. Cloud, somebody else storage is cloud. If you keep within your server, on-premises. If you keep in other storage area, cloud. Knowingly or unknowingly, everyone using it. We keep our mobile images, pictures, first in our mobile. That is on-premises. We'll take backup into Gmail, Google Drive, OneDrive, Apple Cloud, Samsung Cloud. That is a cloud. Even our contacts, we keep in the cloud only. So this is about data understanding. And this data we use in IT applications. IT applications, 2 types. One for business running, one for analysis. Business running people, they use forms, web form, desktop form, or mobile forms. They perform business operations. Example, ticket booking. After completing the ticket booking, they will receive a message, transaction successful or transaction failed. So this process is called transactional processing technically. So this is a storage, transactional storage. This is first category. And second category, this data we take it, implement BI process, and generate report or dashboard. That report or dashboard customers access through web, desktop, or mobile. And this is called as business intelligence or analytical processing. And you guys showing interest in this environment, BI environment. As I told you yesterday, you implement BI process on the data, business intelligence process, generate report and dashboard, where the management team uses for decision making. You're not here to run the business. You are here to help the organization and organizational growth to take effective decisions. Refer to yesterday video for detailed discussion. And this is a BI process I explained yesterday. Your transactional data converted to BI data using these many layers. Compulsory required. However, we don't drink rainwater directly. We drink usually rainwater, but not directly. It goes to multiple filters. The same way, transactional data converted to analytical data in multiple layers. And this is a BI process given in 90s. First layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, 4 layers. And I told you, if any company wants to implement this approach, they need to purchase one tool, another tool, or databases, anything. But multiple tools, multiple setups, multiple components required. And first, one company given end-to-end support, that is Microsoft, with an application called MSBI. So MSBI available in the market as a suite. The suite having first tool SSIS, second tool SSAS, third tool SSRS. So you need to have minimal understanding about these 3 tools. What are those? What they do? Minimum. You need to learn the completely, but whatever I explain in this session and tomorrow's session, that is sufficient. Because MSBA is a wonderful component. Till this day, it is having its own market. No need to learn Power BI. If you learn MSB, 100% you will get the job. Wonderful. It brought leadership to Microsoft. Then why Power BI? I told you very clearly yesterday. I'm just giving a small recap. Power BI. MSBI is a suite with multiple tools, but couple of drawbacks. And one of the drawback, multiple tools. So Power BI, Microsoft decided, why don't we give a single application where we do all operations? That is Power BI, where this is a concept 1 to perform this, concept 2 to perform this, concept 3 to perform this. Power Query concept for this process, Power Pivot concept for these 2 process, Power View and Map process for this. So Power BI is a single application to do end-to-end process. What is Azure BI? If we have time, I will cover. Otherwise, we will see tomorrow. Now, what is BI application? What is report? What is dashboard? Yesterday I explained. A report for low-level data, dashboard for high-level data. So any BI application will take data as input, output as a report or dashboard. Next, legacy. Old BI issues, MSBI advantages I told you, multiple tools in the single area where we do end-to-end process, and Microsoft is the leader from 2008. How it was leader, I explained very clearly yesterday. Microsoft, MSBI only brought leadership to Microsoft. Now Power BI continuing it. So what are the drawbacks with MSBI? Why Power BI added? I explained yesterday. Power BI having cloud, Power BI level single application available, mobile and tab friendly support available in the Power BI. Power BI reports easily we can place in other applications like Facebook, Twitter. And Power BI is a low code application. Power BI visuals and operations highly suitable for current market. And we are having monthly update in Power BI. And simply Power BI first definition, adding power to the existing BI. Already BI available. For that, if you want to add more power, so I'm wrong. For the existing BI, Microsoft added more power, that is Power BI. For the MSBI, more power is added, that is Power BI. And Power BI is a low code application. Cloud and on-premises supported. Self-service process to convert reports and dashboards from data. If anyone asks, brief Power BI definition, this should be your definition. Multiple points are covered. It's a low code, cloud and on-premises supportive self-service B application to generate reports and dashboards. And with the given spirit of this low code, Microsoft given multiple other low code applications. Those are Power Platform applications. 5 components. I explained all the 5 components usage yesterday. But Microsoft thought like people will use the combinations like this. No, companies not used. This was in 2013. This was in 2019, where Power BI part of platform. But companies not using combinations and they are preferring differently. So now Fabric. From 2020 to June, we are having Fabric 23 June. From the last month, we are having a Fabric component, which is artificial intelligence based component, AI based, AI enabled, where Power BI for reporting, Data Factory for data loading, Synapse for storage and analytical operations. So these 4 combination is Microsoft Fabric with AI support. Now you people learning a Fabric component Power BI. Conclusion. You are learning an artificial intelligence Fabric component called Power BI. Yeah. So this was the part yesterday I explained. Now I will continue with the fresh part. Till 9:10 a.m. session continue. And then your questions. QA, question answers. Maintain slow only. I go slow. As it is new, you may feel little fast or complex. Kindly ignore. Just listen. Watch video and practice whatever I'm going to explain now. As it is new, you may feel like fast or complex, but I go slow only.
Sir, how to practice? Actually, do we have Azure Cloud for that?
No, don't worry. I will tell you, sir. Okay. After 3 to 4 examples, hands-on, you will remember everything. Over? Right. First one. First topic, Power BI components. What are the components we have in Power BI? What exactly Power BI does? Report or dashboard generation from any data with low code. That is a Power BI objective. Then what are the components available? These are the cloud components available. This is the first component, second component. On-premises level first component, on-premises level second component. And this is a 5th component of Power BI, 6th component of Power BI, 7th component, 8th component. These are the 8 components available in Power BI. And first one, Power BI desktop, which is for cloud to generate a report. From data, it will generate a report. But how come, sir? By using these concepts. Concept 1, concept 2, concept 3. By using these concepts, it will generate a report. But that report customers cannot use. You need to move to cloud. It is a URL, app.powerbi.com. If you want to move to Google Drive, how do we move? drive.google.com. If you want to open Amazon Prime, how do you open? primevideo.com. All are URLs. So if you want to make this report accessible by the customers, you need to move to this URL which is a cloud where reports and dashboards stored and managed. Customers come to this area only, not this area. This is for you to develop. While developing these concepts, we implement. First one clear? One is report development component. Second one, report storing and managing component. Two areas required in case you're interested for cloud. 95% companies following this. These two. 5% companies go for on-premises, where for report development, they are using a separate desktop, and for report storing and managing, server required. They will install the server in their company, they place the reports and all, and end users work on this. And remaining components, I will explain tomorrow. Report builder, developer, embedding, publisher tomorrow. These are also required. They are for different purposes. So today, I'm going to explain practically the report development using these concepts. This component. Go to this. This is your input data. My family expenses data. I want to generate a report like this. Lockdown time, I spent money, that money available in the file. And 2 months, July and August. Every day, how much money I spent for which reason? Books, I spent 1,000 rupees in the month of August. Hyderabad location, Moti Nagar. Food, 2,000 rupees. Jagadamba Theatre, Visakhapatnam. Something I mentioned. I want to analyze total how much money I spent for the 2 months, or 2 years, or 1 year. What is the average spending? And minimum spending, maximum spending. If I select 19-year data required, 20-year data required. August month data required, July month data required. And I want to see my top spending, food, petrol top, and these are down. So if I select 19 top spending, bottom spending. And contribution, how much percentage money I spent, food, how much percentage, travel, how much percentage, etc. And what are the locations I traveled in this period? I want to see in the locations category. So from this data, this kind of report I want to generate. Even your hostel data, your family expenses, anything you take and generate a report like this after this example. What is required? Very simple, desktop is the component required. What it does? This will take data, this component. First, it will extract it, because if you don't move the data to this, it cannot analyze. That is called extraction. We will go to this and extract it. And then if the data is not in correct shape, we'll shape it properly. If multiple data information available, we will establish a relationship between them. That is modeling. If security required, we'll apply security. Finally, visuals like this we generate. These are all called visuals. And the output is BI data, business intelligence data, because they provide intelligence information. This is a standard BI process. All companies, everywhere we follow. Ignore Power BI. Wherever you go, BI indicate this process. If you are new and first time listening, you may see something panic. Otherwise, daily we listen to the same words, you feel very bored after 2 days. And this process is called a self-service BI process. If any tool is doing the end-to-end like this, that is self-service. In the market, very, very few tools available, and Power BI is not one of the, Power BI is the best self-service BI tool. MSBI also not having self-service complete process, but Power BI has. So what I'm going to do, I will get this data, use this application, implement this process, generate BA data. Shall we see? Where is the input file? The input file is here in my D drive. This is my input file, family expenses. This is just some information regarding my data. Date, amount, reason, area, location clearly available. This data we need to convert like that. Very simple way you can convert. What is required? Power BI desktop. So input data you have seen, correct? You have input. You need to generate a report. That is the output. In between, tool required. The tool is desktop. What is desktop? GUI area with set of operations. Example, Windows desktop, Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop. These are all GUI areas. Coming to Power BI desktop, set GUI area, graphical user interface area. GUI stands for graphical user interface. Fully graphical interface, GUI area with set of Power BI operations. Download, free available, license available. Hardware and software requirements. I will tell you high level now. OS, Windows 8 or above. 10 or above is recommended. RAM, minimum 2 GB. CPU, minimum 2 GHz processor. Sufficient. Very normal requirement. Download ways. 3 ways. A, Google it. Advanced download. No account is required. Demo practice download. Second one, Google it. Download. Account required. Power BI service. Download. Compulsory account is required. Comma, recommended in real time. I will do it this one. Just for what about installation? Click setup.exe, the download setup. Follow the wizard instructions. Mostly next, finish. No additional configuration. Next, finish. Let me download. Power BI desktop download. Download. Simply, it is showing transforms data into actionable insights with dashboards and reports. Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Download. But if you want to read it, read the installation requirements, instructions, etc. I will explain this tomorrow because we don't have time. I will explain tomorrow. Click download. There are two downloads it will show you. x64 setup. This is for 64-bit machines. And this is for 32-bit machine. So what is 64? What is 32? If you are new to IT, listen to it. Search area, sysinfo. If you type it, provides you system configuration, system details. Type here, sysinfo. In the search bar. Now system will give you that. System information. Down, there is something called your system type is this. My machine OS is this. I'm having AMD Ryzen. This is my speed, processor speed. So absolutely I can install it. I install.
Sir, is it not applicable for Mac?
No, directly you cannot install in Mac. You need to take VM, on top of VM, Windows OS, and then Power BI. I will guide you, don't worry.
Sure, thanks.
Right, this is system type. So my machine is 64. Just go to this, select it, download. After that, it looks like this. Click on it. Next, next. Finish. Fine. You will find an icon on the desktop. There is one more desktop available, Power BI desktop. This is for on-premises. This is for cloud. And after current installation, you will find like this only. Click on this. This is the first screen it will open. And this is called Get Started screen with various quick links. This month update you want to see in Power BI. Go to this and click. Complete Power BI history you want to see. 2013 July to till this day. You want to read some materials. You want to go through some videos. %100 advantage. You want to know a topic, you want to know a concept. And this is for recent reports. And you want to open other reports. This is for recent data. You want to get other data. And you have some questions, concerns you want to discuss with technical people. other organization people, neighbor organization people, Microsoft experts. Go to forums. This is all about a screen with quick reference links. I'll describe this more tomorrow. Just high level today. Close it. If you don't require, close it. This is the main interface. Color blind friendly interface. Color blind people can work on. Second one, end-to-end BA, you can say self-service BA application. Data, your data moved to, or your data extracted here, transformed here. If required, data modeling we do, security we apply, and finally we go for visualization. BA data. This it will do, this application, single application. No need of multiple tools, multiple technologies. And this is the first area. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Sorry, no, fifth. The first one we do here, get data for extraction. See, there is a pen symbol and something. Transformation. See, connections, relationships. Security in this area, reporting in this area. 5 areas. Very close. Daily we work with the same, so you feel very bored after 2 or 3 days. Same interface, same navigations. And this is quick saving. Title of the report. This is minimizing, maximizing, closing. These are called menu tabs. What do we call it? Menu tabs. Right now, home is underlined. So, and these are the options available. We call it as home ribbon options. Just tool explaining high level. Menu tabs, home ribbon. This is called a ribbon option. And these 3 are called views. 1, 2, 3. And the first area, report view. Here is a place we take visuals plus data plus concepts. Second, data view. Tables, data you see. Third one, relationship view. Relationships established. Understood, everyone?
Yeah.
And this is called filter pane. P-A-N-E pane with filter options. This is the visualization pane, visualization options. Data pane, data options. 3 panes. And here is a place pages available. Multiple pages you can take. Just click plus 1 more page, plus 1 more page, plus 1 more page. So this is at high level. Now I will show you how to bring the data. After bringing, our data is not correct. how to transform the data, but only one data available. So no modeling today, no security. How to visualize the data? 5. 1, 2, 5 in the BA process, I will explain. 1, 2, 5. Shall we see that? Any data, if you want to convert to BA data, what are the applicable layers available? Same order it has to follow. Same order, no different order. First, what to do? Get data, Excel workbook. Go to this, visuals, family expenses, click open. Get data, browse to file. And this is only having data, so select it. Click load. Browse it, click load. Now go to data view. See, we got the data. It is available here in the data area. This is data pane. Some people call it as a data set. Data set area. If you want to see the data, go to this. So first one, you will get. You want to see that, click on this data view. Ready. Data, but something is not correct. This is one family expenses, something available as it is occupying one line. So date and remaining not proper. This is supposed to be the column heading. This is supposed to be the column heading. As it was not happen, the data shape is not correct. If you want to make a proper shape, go to second area. Where is the area? This is second area. Transform data. See, only one time system will open a separate window when you go to transformation. From here, transform data, it will open transformation area. Very rich transformation area, not normal. What all the transformations you want to do, you can do it here. Thousands of transformations available here. Thousands. Do the transformation. This is your table data. In this, see, first one, day to amount available. This is supposed to be the column heading. Where is the option? Click on this, that corner, use first row as headers. Click. Done. Where is the option? Click on this, use first row as headers. Now it is looking good. My transformation completed. Whatever I expected completed. Now we need to close the window, but directly don't close. Save the changes and close. So go to this home menu, close and apply. It will apply the changes and close. Ready. Go to data view. That window closed. Go to data view. See the data. Looking good. Proper shape available. So what are the operations you completed? This is a report view. If you see here, getting data, transforming completed. Go to model view. This third view. Only one table, you cannot relate it to other. Again, report view. Security not required. So only visualization required. So in this area, we take these visuals. If not sufficient, we go to other visuals, but we take it here. And this data also we place on the visuals. Simply these two combination we use, these two, this and this in this area. Let our remaining concepts. First, I will go to total value, what I spent here, amount. My family expenses, total value required. That is my first requirement. No need to write any formula. That is the beauty here. But where do you want to show? Now I'm going to show only 3 to 4 visuals. First visual, second visual, third visual, fourth visual, fifth visual. Yeah, these are the visuals I'm going to show you now. You want to show only value, single value, go to card. Card for single value. Click on this. You all will get a detailed notes where you find this explanation. Kindly go through. Today you will get a notes. Because demo exercise you need to practice, you will get a notes. I click the card visual. This is card visual. I want to show the data. What is this? Amount. I'm dragging and placing in the fields. Visual ready and fields I fill. Only 2 operations. First you click, second fill the fields. Any visual usage follows like this. And don't bother about my navigations and all. Slowly you come to know it's a demo session. Some people expecting practicals, how I will explain. So it's a sample only. Don't think your Power BI class is completed. This is a sample. If I explain only theory, you feel very bored. But practical also required, right? Yeah, some rough practical. Who are able to practice it. Otherwise, tomorrow onwards basics, you will understand easily. Card is ready, value okay. Next, one more card required for me. What is the average money I spent? So I click card, take amount, place in the fields area. It is showing sum. What about average? No need to write any formula. Click on this drop down, mention average. But how many locations I traveled, I want to see. One more card, single value only, card. Location you take. But count required. So click on this drop down, count locations. But font is not good. I want to format. So this is fields area for every visual. This is format area. So go to this, click format. This is format. This indicate callout value. This indicate category label. Simply font, color, etc. available, use it. Now go to callout value. I want size 30 only. Bold only required. Color, blue color I require. I don't want 1000 format. Display unit, I will take none. Next. Sufficient. Category label, down one, this one. Bold. Color, I want pink color. And I will need 15 size. Whatever you want to take it. Yeah, you can do it, sir. Not an issue. You can change the title, don't worry. This is ready. So I move to first one, change the color font. Second one, change color. And I'm adjusting. I'm going to this. I'm reducing this. I want to take a border. Go to this general effects. I'll take a visual border. effects level, general visual border on. How do I remember? If you practice once, you will remember it. Now, the same format I want to paste here and here. How? Highlight this, format painter. Click on this, format changed. The same format I want here, format painter. Click on this. So format is changed. Now I'm making it closer, making it closer.
The location should be distinct count, right?
It could be, sir. It could be, but total I have taken, no problem. So total money to average, but I want to see year-wise and month-wise, these values. Then there is something called slicer, second visual, which will filter the data. So click slicer. Asking you field, go to date, date hierarchy, drag and drop year only. It is showing like this, but I want to change the format. Go to format area. Slicer settings. Option right now between available, between years. I am not feeling comfortable. Go to this list format I want. Tile means buttons. List want, vertical list. So 18, 19 or 19, 20 it is showing. This is slicer setting. This value you want to format, just go to header, take bold, take blue color, mention size 20, blue or pink. Now values bold. You guys are good in this. You can take your own colors. I want border, general section, effects, visual border on. Year is ready. Simply month filtering also required. So copy paste. I'm taking this, Control C, Control V. I don't require year here. Cancel this. Take month. What I'm taking? But I don't want these many months. I just want July and August month. Go to filter area. This is filter. Month, expand it. Because I'm having business only in July, August. So I'm having spending on July and August. July and August. Filter. Select only those two. Now it is showing only those two. So how to use this also explain. If you select 1940 locations, average amount, total money. 19 August, 22 locations, average sum. Similarly remaining. Easy? No coding, right? Good. I want to see my top spending reasons. For which reason I spent more money, which reason I spent less money. Comparison required. So take chart for comparison. Stacked bar chart. This is the one I'm taking. Ready? Now y-axis. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. What do you want? See here, y-axis, I want reason. X-axis, I want money amount. Showing a very small font. You can increase it, or you want to see bigger view, go to focus view. Bigger. Clearly telling food do travel more money and these two low money. And food also I spent 55,900, travel 26,200. Go back. And this is for all years, all months. If you select 19, accordingly it will show you. So what I did, I took bar chart, y-axis, x-axis I filled. But I want to see how much percentage money I spent. Take a pie chart. Pie chart. This is pie chart for composition, percentage money, contribution. Legend level, I take reason. Value level, I take amount. Now place cursor here. Food value. Cursor here. Petrol value. Understood? How much percentage? I want to show my traveled locations. Click on it. Location. Map. Take location. Explore bigger and see. I traveled to Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Hyderabad, Nalgonda, some areas. Bullets, so bubbles. My travel location. And I want to control with a value, business value. I just took map. Location mentioned from here. I took this location mentioned. I want to control business. Bubble size, amount. Amount. If you go and see, wherever more spending, bigger bubble. 36,000. Wherever normal spending, small bubble. Understood? Now you want to take border for all. Yeah, just go to this here, general section, take border. You try at home. If you select 19 locations I travel, spending, 19 contribution, 19 high to low, 19 August values. So this is the way we create reports with low code, but we write coding for your business logics by using a language called DAX, data analysis expressions. What is the language? Data analysis expression. DAX language we use it to write formula, which is close to Excel language. Excel formulas. We can do it easily. Apart from that, the rest of the part is fully graphical. Then how do we save it? Go to File menu, Save. I'm saving with a heading. Vinay Tech, Power BI, second demo report, 9/20/07/2023. And I forgot to show you one thing. File menu, save. What is the extension it is taking? If you want to save Word documents, what is the extension? .docx. Excel documents, .xlsx. Power BI documents, .pbix. These are the extensions. That means now you are creating a document, not a report. This one is a document. Why is a document? Why this is document? Because extraction available, transformation available, modeling available, reporting available, everything available. So we call it as a document. You want to check last minute documents. See, how is it saved? Text document, a Word document, similarly document, not a report. Some people, due to lack of knowledge, they call this one as a report, but it is not a report, it is a document. And customer don't require all these areas, getting data, transforming. He require only this area for his operations. How do we share this to customer? Now we need to move this report to cloud, or we need to move this report to server, report server. From here, customers will access only this part. They don't require your transformation area, modeling area, all the areas. They need only this part and interaction. So if you want to make it available like that, you should go to cloud or on-premises server and then share to customers. That we see in the regular class tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So I'm done with the report, whatever I plan to create. I'm concluding now. And the first demo, introduction and complete understanding about data to fabric. Second demo, recap and then practical part I covered. And tomorrow onwards, regular classes. First 10 days, 3 to 4 case studies we do, followed by Power BI detailed subject. In these 3 to 4 case studies, you will learn real-time environment and process. So this is my way of approach so that you will enjoy with the real time. So tomorrow onwards, regular classes at 8 a.m. Class timing 8 to 9 a.m. sharp. As it is demo, I extended for 20 more minutes. Otherwise, 8 to 9 a.m. sharp. If anyone wants to talk to me, this is my contact number. Kindly call me on this number in the given timings. And who all join, kindly provide email address and mobile number so that you will receive demo video, demo document. Both the demo video documents. Even for the today's
Okay.
practical, your document, you will receive practical document, use it and practice it. First, enjoy with the subject. See the sample of the subject, then continue. Don't ask anyone, is it simple or complex? You text it, then you decide. But Power BI is very strong. Next 10, 15 years, no doubt in that. Even Microsoft is the leader, no doubt about the market and career. Simply learn so that you will grab the job.